Hello everyone. Let us start exercise 7.2. Question number 1. An isosceles triangle ABC, we have given AB equal to AC and the bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join A and A to O and show that OB equal to OC and AO bisect angle A. So for showing this, we have to draw a figure at first. So this is the figure triangle ABC, right? This is isosceles triangle we have given, so that AB equal to AC, and what we have other thing is given, angle B is equal to angle C, because opposite angles to the equal opposite sides are equal, right? So if this angle B is opposite to AC and this angle C is opposite to AB and AC are equal, so that B and C are equal. So this is we have given. Also we have given the bisector of angle B. Bisector means this angle 1 and 2 are equal, this 3 and 4 are equal, right? So these angles are we have given equal. So let us try to solve it. So this is A to O I have joined. This is not bisector. This is not bisector now. We have to show that AO is bisector. So this is OB and OC are bisector, we can say that, right? So here we have given angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, right? And half of the angle ABC is equal to half of the angle ACB. We can insert half of both sides, and half of ABC we can take this angle AO OBC. So this is I am taking OBC. This is equal to half of this angle ACB is OCB. This angle OCB, right? Because we need to show that OB equal to OC. Here we need to show that OB equal to OC, so that I am taking this angle, right? So here we showed that this angle is equal to this angle, means angle 1 equal to angle 3 according to your figure, right? And it is sufficient to write this one also. Okay, if you find it easy, you can write 1 and 3 are equal, right? So angle 1 equal to angle 3. So angle 1 is opposite to OC and angle 3 is opposite to OB. So we can write here OC equal to OB, because you know that angles opposite to the equal sides are equal and vice versa. Means the sides opposite to equal angle, the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So here we shown that OB equal to OC. Hence proved first part. Now come to second part. In the second part you have to show that AO bisects angle A. Means ultimately you are going to show that this angle is equal to this angle, right? 1 2 3 4 we have written. I am writing 5 and 6 for you. So you have to show that this 5 angle is equal to angle number 6. So how we can show that? If we show this triangle AOB and this triangle AOC are congruent, so by simplicity we can write 5 and 6 are equal. So let us see. In triangle AOB and triangle AOC, I am taking these two triangles AOB and AOC. In these two triangles, you see OB equal to OC we have already shown. OB equal to OC showed in the first part. Right? And also we can write AB equal to AC, that we have given, right? It is given because this is an isosceles triangle, so this is given. Also we have shown here, this is a half part of this whole angle 1 and 3 are equal, so we can say that 2 and 4 are also equal. So your angle ABO is equal to angle this ABO equal to angle ACO. So this is angle ACO because they are half of the equal angle, right? So half of the equal angles. So equal angles का अगर आप half करते हो तो वो भी equal होंगे. So what you have here, this is a side, this is also a side, and this is a angle. So you can use the criteria side, angle, side. Also you can use this AO, this is common, right? I am writing here AO equal to AO, this is common side, right? This is also S. So you can remove this part. If you want to take, you can take this also. So I'm taking here SSS. By SSS we have a triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. Now these two triangles are congruent, right? By SSS criteria. If they are congruent, so we can use CPCT rule. So by CPCT, what is the CPCT? This is corresponding part of congruent triangle. We can say that angle BAO equal to angle CAO, means this angle BAO, this 5, and CAO, this 6 are equal, means this is equal to this. What it mean? AO is bisector of this angle A. So you can write here AO is bisector of angle A. That we have to show. AO is bisector of angle A. So I hope you understand this question.